Are you afraid of burglars when you are sleeping or not at home? Introducing the advanced Optex Security Sensor, engineered to detect potential threats before they become real problems. In traditional security, many people rely on CCTV, but cameras don't stop crime. They only record what already happened. Even indoor intrusion panel only generate alarm, but don't prevent theft. But Optex detects danger before intrusion occurs, giving you time to act, prevent, and stay secure. Smart protection that keeps your family, your valuables, and your peace of mind safe. Sleep peacefully. Travel worry-free. Live safely.